Okay, let's give you an inside view of our brand new truck. Put some lights on in here. Air conditioning controls in the back. The bottom bunk, that's where we both sleep. There is a top bunk. We don't ever use it though. We use this for storage up here. Passenger side, one big cabinet, usually goes closed. Empty spot, some people do TVs. This is where we grab our shower bag and quick get to stuff. Oh, it's a different style of fridge than we had. Oh, it looks bigger than before. Bottom storage, we usually just do water and food down there. The big old cabinet. Hang up clothes in there. This is our Qualcomm, where we talk to our company and it keeps track of when we're driving and not. More storage stuff. Little workspace, such a computer here. All our important paperwork goes under it. And a little storage space that, well, I never use it, so I don't know what Crystal does in there. Let me unbuckle this bed. So I can show you what's under here. And here's where the bulk of our storage goes. If you look up front, got the storage up top. Keep, you know, stuff up here that we need, logbooks and stuff like that. This is where we keep our little notebook where we keep track of everything, flashlights. These are always full of pens. We keep our headsets and electronics locked up in here. But that's our truck. Thanks for watching.